guys, another King's Court opening coming at you today. First up, we've got ZW Tornado Bringer. We got Stardust XIAOLONG, I'm going to guess. Here is ZW Eagle Claw. ZW Leo Arms. Gravekeeper's Spy. Here is number C39 Utopia Ray. And final card, we've got White Rose CLOISTER. So, nice new one there. Starting to pull in quite a few duplicates of a lot of stuff we've got, which is understandable. It's kind of a smaller set size. So, anyway, guys, there you have it. Daily pack opening for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.